Beckham, 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 Beckham. Go head bomb it. Beckham. No, 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 no more. Here.
Can I get it from this angle?
Is there like a...
Just keep going.
Jenna, you gotta be quiet. Beckham, do it again.
Go.
Do it.
Do it. Go, go. Go.
You're not sick. This is silly.
Go. Turn it this way. Turn it the other way. Turn that way. Yeah, that's perfect. Go. Go.
Oh no. Wait, He's like, I'll do it. He's like, I'll do whatever you want if I get you without my brother and sister.
Go, go, go. Ready?
Oh.
Ready? Go. Go. Ready? Go.
You know what? I think that he's not sick enough. I don't think he should be here. I think your Jenna should go home.
Go. Ready? Go. Go. Go.
I'm a little embarrassed. I'm a little embarrassed. I feel like I'm not part of. I feel like I'm like faking that my child is sick or something.
I mean, I'm just saying. Ready? Are you ready? Ready? Go. Not that way. Not that way.
I want it this way.
I know, but that way we won't videotape. Ready? Go. Ready? Go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
He's like, Mama, look at me. Aww. Give Aunt Jenna a kiss.
Swine flu.
Oh, it's okay. I'll take it.
Not my phone. Not my phone. Now we gotta disinfect that.
That was so cute, though. You should have seen that. Stop it and then replay it.